there, it's me, Lisa from oshiblogs.com. I want to talk to you guys today about the upcoming Gutenberg editor that WordPress is about to release to all of us for good once WordPress 5.0 comes out. I just wrote about Gutenberg. So today I just want to talk about something really specific, and that's how to use the Gutenberg editor to make a reusable affiliate disclosure that you can put at the top of your blog posts. If you're doing sponsored posts or using affiliate links in your posts, then you probably already know that the FTC requires disclosures at the top of blog posts stating that you are making money or you can make money, so that you're not, in their words, deceiving your readers. Before Gutenberg, this wasn't always easy. I have used a plugin to do this on all of my sites. And while there's nothing wrong with a plugin and it has worked great, the fewer plugins you can use, the better, for a few different reasons, including plugins aren't always updated. And when they're not updated, it makes your site easier to hack. And they're also just extra baggage on your site. So if you can do something without a plugin, you definitely should. In this case, Gutenberg makes the necessity of a plugin for something like an affiliate disclosure obsolete. It's really awesome. So I just wanted to show you guys this really fast. I know Gutenberg has a bit of a learning curve, and personally, I didn't like it for a few weeks. I refused to use it. But then I really started getting into it because the classic WordPress editor is awesome. It's easy to use. It's just text. You can add a picture, whatever. But formatting that has never been particularly easy. Yeah, you can add a picture. You can move the picture to the left or to the right. But adding various elements isn't the easiest. So Gutenberg changes that, because instead of just being a text editor, everything works in blocks. Basically, you can build the blocks on top of each other to create your perfect blog post. This is what I think is going to be the hardest part to get used to, is that here I am in the Gutenberg editor now, and let's say this is one sentence, and sometimes I do one sentence paragraphs. If you hit enter, it automatically goes to another block. So different paragraphs are all different blocks, and it's going to be hard getting used to that. There's really no getting around that. I'm not gonna kid you, but once you get used to that, I think you're going to find that Gutenberg's actually pretty easy to use, and it makes formatting so much easier because you're not going to need to know really much HTML at all. You're not going to need to know CSS. It's all here. It's all very visual, which is awesome. So, like I said, this is a block. It's not letting me edit it. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. And typically when you're using Gutenberg, you're going to do it in what is the equivalent of a visual editor. I actually have my disclosure already written out in the HTML, which I know I just said you don't really need, but for this instance, I'm going to do it. And so if you want to switch between, you can go to the visual editor, which is what I'm using here, or the code editor. It's no longer HTML view. So I wrote this out already to make this super quick. And so all I'm going to do is paste it in here. There we go. And then I'm going to switch back to the visual editor to make it easier to see. Now that I have this, this is my block with my disclosure. And one of the reasons I really like it, I really like Gutenberg and this particular element, is because it makes it really easy to make each block different. So I can change the size of the font with just using a slider. And personally, when I have an affiliate disclosure, I like the font to be smaller than the text that I'm using in my blog posts. This isn't because I want to hide the disclosure. I have no issues with that. I just don't want the disclosure to look like it's part of the post. You know, if everything's uniform and the same size, it's going to be hard to differentiate. Another way you could do this is Gutenberg makes it really easy. You can add a colorful background behind any text or any block with just the click of a button. And obviously, you can use the colors that translate to your site. So it can be really good for branding. But for this, I'm just going to use text. And my disclosure says this post contains affiliate links, which means we may receive a commission if you click a link and make a purchase. This comes at no additional cost to you. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Please check out our privacy policy for more details. And then there's a hyperlink to my privacy policy. I just wanted to tell you guys really quickly, this wording is awkward because of the Amazon Associate Edition here. And if you're already an Amazon associate, then you know that they are very particular about the wording that you use on your site. And if you don't have their specific disclosure, they can actually kick you out of the program because they're awesome like that. Previously, I've just included the Amazon disclosure in the sidebar on my sites because it's easy. I want to make sure Amazon knows it's there. And this is awkward to have at the top of a post if I'm not even using an Amazon affiliate link. Well, Gutenberg, you can have multiple blocks and you can save them. That's what we're actually going to do here. We're going to save this as a reusable block. A reusable block means we're creating this now. We can use it in this post, but it will also go into a repository, basically, of blocks that you can use in any other posts on your site. So I'm going to save that now. And go ahead and save that. And now I have a basic affiliate disclosure that I can easily add to the top of any post that's going to have regular affiliate links and that's going to have Amazon affiliate links. You can save as many blocks as you want. So what you can do, what I will probably do, is remove this weird little Amazon sentence and have one affiliate disclosure when I'm not using Amazon and another one when I am, because I obviously don't want to get in trouble with Amazon, but I think that's really awkward too, especially if I'm not using any Amazon links. That is really neither here nor there. So I went ahead and saved this as a reusable block. So now I want to show you how you can quickly put it into a blog post. I have a post here that I'm going to publish shortly that was written by Sadie from Slapdash Mom. And this post does include affiliate links. So if we're going to add the disclosure that I just wrote, all we need to do is come up here to this area here, because this is where you can find different blocks to add to your posts. And they have some most used blocks, which are what you think they'd be, pictures, paragraph, headings. And you can see my affiliate disclosure there, but I don't want to add it there because what I want to do is scroll down, and there are so many different types of blocks. And honestly, this is why Gutenberg is really exciting, because it's really going to let you do a lot of different things. One of the things that you'll see here is there are reusable blocks. I've worked on this video a few times, so I have 3 different affiliate disclosures here now. But I'm going to go ahead, just click on this. And I don't know why it added it to the bottom of my post. I'm just going to keep it here at the bottom so you can see it. Obviously, it's there. It's the exact disclosure that I showed you how to create. As you saw there, you can move it up, you can move it down. You can really do what you want with these. The blocks, like I said, I know they're difficult. It's really tough to wrap your mind about it, but they're really easy to use and they're really neat. So I'm really excited about it. So I just want to show you real fast. And obviously, like I said before, the FTC requires these disclosures to be at the top of your blog posts. And what I'm going to show you is at the bottom of the blog post. But hopefully you get you get the idea. It's easier for me to just show it you this way than to wait or to try to move the disclosures. So we'll just go down here to the bottom, and here is our disclosure box. Obviously, once it's on a post, you can't tell it's a block or anything like that. But super easy to do. Add it to the top of your posts where there are affiliate links. Don't add it if you're not using affiliate links because posts without links don't need disclosures. And there are so many different ways that you're going to be able to use these reusable blocks. But when I was playing with Gutenberg this past weekend, this is the one that really stood out to me, is just how easy it's going to be to do those silly affiliate disclosures that we all have to do, but that aren't necessarily easy, or you want a quicker way to do them than you can currently do it. So Gutenberg makes that easy, and I hope this video makes you a little more excited about Gutenberg. It's going to be interesting once WordPress really forces us all to switch over. So if you haven't yet, I definitely recommend playing with it. You might find that you like some parts of it, you don't like some parts of it. It's still in beta, so it doesn't always work 100% yet, which is kind of annoying, but it's getting there. It's getting better pretty much every day. So that is all I have for you on affiliate disclosures and Gutenberg. But if you have any questions, leave them below. If you have any questions about disclosures or Gutenberg in general or anything like that, I'd love to help you out. So let me know, and I hope you're doing well and you're getting used to Gutenberg and you're as excited for this new WordPress frontier that's coming as I am. I hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you later. Bye.